Hello and welcome to Lego MOC Masterpieces. Today we are going to be feasting our eyes upon Emil Lidé's rule landscape. I am a huge fan of micro builds, but Emil takes it to a whole new level with his very organic feeling builds. From relatively few parts, he has created this tapestry of an idyllic rural farm. It is such a rich piece filled with detail in every corner, it's really hard to know where to begin. First, let's pull our eyes away from the main scene and look closer at that beautiful frame he has constructed for it. It is easy to miss all the intricacies in the frame with all the lovely details vying for attention. This is a testament though to his ability to create an amazing looking frame without detracting from the rest of the piece. He's done some really interesting things by using the filigree bricks and headlight bricks to create those decorative posts. The staggered bars and the pyramid bricks create a lovely flourish, and the centerpiece is really well done, locking the ice cream cone pieces together with that gold ring. Such a great centerpiece detail. The frame is a nice trick of the eye to hide the height of the landscape itself. The depth of the landscape has allowed Emil to create a gradual rolling hill, starting low at the water level and slowly rising to the forest in the background. This has given him room underneath the surface to use longer parts in some very unconventional ways, as we will see later when we look at the fence post. As well, it gave him room to add in the winding stream with the very small waterfall and the stone arch bridge above it. The backdrop to the scene is worth a very good look as well. Emil has incorporated many different varieties of trees, utilizing a few interesting techniques to give real variation to the forest, giving it a very natural feel. I must say, my favorite have to be the weeping willows, with the curved bricks acting like the long, drooping limbs. Next, we will set our eyes upon the vibrant pasture full of new growth and wildflowers. I want to take a second to look closer at the fence, as I mentioned, where he has hidden the brown bars underneath the surface, leaving just the tops exposed to act as fence posts. Then using the brown minifigure hands as the fencing. Absolutely brilliant. If you take a close look at the tree in the pasture, you will see he has even found room to put some fruit in it. Now let's talk about that wheat in the field. What an ingenious use of parts there. Who would have ever have conceived of the beige axle pins as wheat stalks? As we head up the well-trod path, we finally come to the barn and the house. Emil has left no detail out by adding in a well in the courtyard. The two structures by themselves are brilliant little builds. The whitewash and thatched roof on the cottage are amazingly well done. The little window peeking out and the stone path just further add to the character of this tiny home nestled away in the trees. As we look to the barn, again the thatched roof on the stout barn is expertly designed. Using the pins along the mid-ridge is a really interesting technique. He has used a variety of parts on the walls to give it a very tumble-down look, with the feel that it has undergone many repairs and patches over the years. With that, we are going to leave our short tour in the country. If you like this and were inspired, please go check out some more of Emil's great works on his Flickr page. He does some amazing foliage and tree designs, as well as some more terrific micro builds. If you've liked this video and it's inspired you, please hit that like and subscribe buttons and share it around to others so that they can enjoy it. Don't forget about our Patreon account if you wish to support us that way. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye bye.